In this video, you will learn how to use Ton Raffle and how to use Ton Raffle to participate in presale, that is buying coin before early before the public buys it and making tons of profit. Okay, so there are two aspects of Ton Raffle that we'll focus on. Yeah, we'll basically focus on on how to use Ton Raffle to participate in token presale and how to use Ton Raffle to participate in NFT launchpad or presale. All right. So before doing that, let's quickly look at a statistic that is very intriguing. This is a statistic that shows the transaction count of various chain of various blockchain or in the crypto industry. Or you can see transaction count, and these are different chains. Okay, so looking at the very significant part, we have Tron having the highest count in looking at 180-day period. Okay, the next one is BNB chain. The next one is Polygon, and you can see the next one is Ton. All right, so this means Ton is even higher than the others like Arbitrum and Ethereum. All right, so what does this mean? This shows that on this that the Ton chain is gaining attention, and wherever attention goes, there money flows. Wherever attention goes, there money flows. All right. So, how do you position yourself? One of the ways to position yourself in order to maximize the profit, to explore and maximize the profit on Ton chain is participating on presale, launchpad, and IDO. And the platform to use to accomplish that is Ton Raffle. Okay, so that is why this video is very important. We'll be looking at how we can use Ton Raffle to buy token early before the general public, before it lists on the market. Okay, before it lists on DEX and before it lists on centralized exchanges too. And how can we do that in such a way that it will make profit doing it? So we look at the first. There's a platform. This platform is the platform to use is called Ton Raffle. I'm currently on their web application, tonraffle.app. All right, so I'm there. So we have different features on Ton Raffle, but we'll be looking at their launch feature or their launch product. Okay, so we'll start from the first one, Jetting Launchpad. Let's click on this launchpad. So on the launchpad, you see buy new jettings or new tokens on Ton Raffle's Jetting Launchpad. Maximize your profit by participating in initial DEX offerings. Okay, these are IDO projects. So on this, you see different tokens. Look at Cadify Coin, look at Pepper Ton. Okay, look at the Squid TG. Okay, so these are different tokens that you can buy their presale or their IDO before. You can buy into their IDO before they launch. You buy early before they list on the open market. All right, so let's take for example, we want to buy this Cadify. Okay, this coin. Let's quickly look at the statistics before then. Okay, yeah, so the statistics is here. So this means that the presale will end in 10 days. In 10 days, 10 hours, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, and this project they've raised 34,232 tons already. All right, and okay, so on my left hand side, you see the information of the project. Card is a codified online casino native token. Stake cards in the lottery to compete for guarantee prize funds and huge jackpot. So this is like a casino, an online casino project on Ton chain. So this is the presale address. So this is the token name. Okay, this is the token symbol and this is the decimal point. So this is token address. So this token address is the address that you use after it's launched and you claim it. This is the address that you use to swap. This address you use, you paste on either Dedust or Ston.fi. You paste it there and you'll be able to swap your token to Ton. Okay, and this is the total supply of the project, which is I think 100 million. Okay, and the total token for presale is just 10 million. That token for liquidity is 9 million. Initial market cap, 342,337.75. That is the soft cap is 5,000 ton, and limit per user is unlimited, unlimited. Okay, so this is the when presale. These are the data for the presale. This is when the presale will start, and this is when the presale will end, and it's going to be listed on Ston.fi. So once it is launched, you go to Ston.fi and you'll be able to convert your token to Ton, and liquidity percent 100%. There'll be liquidity provided. So going further, you see Cadify tokenomics, spend launch 10%, DEX 9%, NFT farm 25%, NFT extra profit 10%, player initial reward 5%, player reward in 36 months 5%, exclusive quest 4.05%, staking 1%. So that is what you need to know about about Launchpad. Any Launchpad on the Ton Raffle, it has information. So on the top, you see the website for this project. See the website, then you also see the social media link, like the Twitter, the Telegram channel, the Twitter handle, and the website. Okay, so click on them. Ensure you do your research. Make sure you do your research before buying into any presale, because it's not, most projects are not free. They are work pro projects. So doing your research, we help you to avoid. Okay, yeah, this is the Cadify. Okay, and on Cadify you see they have followers, and okay, you can check them out, and also okay, check their website and see what they're up to. All right, so how do you now participate in the presale? You click on connect wallet. Okay, we are using Tonkeeper and we are using the browser extension. So you connect your wallet whether on mobile phone or on PC. Connect your wallet. The wallet is loading to be connected. Okay, here we connected our wallet to the Ton Raffle platform. Then I want to buy 10. I want to participate with 10 Ton. So I'll click on now in this case you already found your Tonkeeper wallet with Ton. Click on buy. You buy. So after clicking on buy, you see the statistic. You see the amount that you have bought, the amount you contribute. When you come to this place, okay, when you come to this place, you see the amount contributed. Okay, you see the amount your contribution would be, in this case to be 10. All right, so then once it is over, or you go to the same platform, you see claim, you click on that and you sign in your wallet and you claim. Then you now go to Ston.fi. Okay, you go to Ston.fi, and on Ston.fi you swap. Okay, you swap that particular coin. Okay, in this case, okay, let me see if I can copy if the contact address will work. Okay, so this is token address. Let's see if it will work. So you go there. Okay, you paste. Okay, you can see Cadify. It's working. So once you have claimed, you paste it there, and so that is Cadify. It's working. You paste it there, then you swap everything to Ton and you swap your token. All right, so that is how to do it. That is how to participate in Ton Raffle, in presale. Okay, in Ton chain presale using the Ton Raffle. Okay, so let me state that you need to also monitor when the presale will end and when the claim button will go live, so that you can claim and move ahead. All right, so this is how to participate in any presale on Ton Raffle. All right, also there's a referral link. Okay, in most Ton Raffle presale. Here you can share with your community and then the rewards. You can do that too. All right, so let's go to the second important item. So let's see NFT Launchpad. It's basically the same thing. So on NFT Launchpad is simply a platform where you can buy into NFT sales, NFT projects before. Okay, you buy into it early before they launch or before they list on both the centralized exchange and centralized exchange. All right, so now this is one of they really have one. Okay, so we have many tokens. We have 4 upcoming tokens, actual and upcoming token, and 25 ended. Okay, so that means there's a lot going on this platform. All right, so let's look at this particular one that is here that we can mint. Let's go what we can do. All right, so you can see Simpson. Okay, you can see the social media handle. Look at the Twitter handle for Simpson. Look at the website for Simpson. Okay, the Simpson, this NFT that we give you huge return weekly. Also, this NFT have been drawn by professional artists. We are very motivated to promote the Simpson and capture the NFT market. So go to their sites too and look them up. Look at what they are doing. So once you are convinced about it, then you can participate. To participate on Simpson presale, you need 60 Ton for each. Okay, you need 60 Ton for participation. Okay, let's look at this image and see. Okay, these are the NFTs. How the NFT look like? Okay, so how the NFT look like? They look impressive somehow. Okay, and this is the last image. All right, so now say we want to participate. So we'll put 60. Okay, it's gonna be 60. Okay, okay, it's saying that it's gonna be 10. Okay, so just put the required okay, it will end in 7 hours. So I think so you can impute the amount that you want to impute. So in this case, you said the maximum is 10. Then you click on you click on mint or buy. So you meant you buy it to show that you have bought it, and you mint the NFT, and once the presale end, you'll be able to claim your NFT, and you have participated in Ton chain NFT presale. All right, guys. So that is how to participate in presale due to the potential of Ton chain. You see that participating in presale would be a massive opportunity to make life-changing money. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that when we publish new video, you'll be the first to receive it. There's a video on the top of this channel that talk about strategies to make money on Ton chain. We have many strategies. Okay, in this video you will learn them. All right. The CoinDollar community is a community that provides free alpha and signals to members. Kindly join by checking the link on the comment section. The CoinDollar community, is a community. You look at our community. The CoinDollar community. So try to join us at CoinDollar. Okay, follow our Twitter handle CoinDollar, and see you in the next video.